Hey guys, welcome to the shop. We're going to do unboxing of the new twin 40mm EDF Tomcat, F-14 Tomcat from XFLY. This is a very nice box. I received it just moments ago. Let's see what is inside. All right. You can see we have the features, functional variable sweep, the classic library, high performance EDF and servos, everything. Of course, fixed landing gear. This is what we have in the box. Right? It comes like that. And now we're going to display what is inside. All right. Very nice. First, the wings. The wings are very good and very smooth finishing. Actually the profile is okay. No round leading edge, and I think it's a nice, very nice finishing. The wing root is all plastic up to here. We have only the ailerons, no flaps, right? All right, micro servo. Yeah, probably is a less than 9 gram, probably 5 gram. And ball links for the swing wing mechanism. Okay, we have the manual and the hardware. Take a look. Manual is really looks nice. All the parts. Total parts we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very low count. Very low pass count, right? And it looks really straightforward to build. Right. What about the accessories? Okay, we have Velcro, we have push rods, screws, and a set of no step decals. Look like stickers, right? Yeah, stickers. Okay. To complement the scale looks of the plane. The wing is also nice, very well protected. We have the set of wheels, very big wheels. Probably this is good for grass operation as well. The wheel is probably almost 2 inches. Very good packaging. Here we have the for the wing, for the swing wing supports, aluminum, very good. Okay, let's go to the main part. This looks really good. The rudder are already glued, right? No movable rudder, is fixed, but it's already glued. Servos, mini servos. The fins. Oh, it's nice. And the cockpit with the 2 pilots. No pilot missing. It's okay. You look at the style of the exhausts, right? Nice scale. Of course, the favorite Jolly Roger squadron. Let's see what is inside the wing. One screw to remove. Just a second. Yeah, okay. Well, it looks very simple, but the brace is all metal. It's very good. This is the pivot point, also already attached to the brace. Two servos with metal control arms. Really good. Very simple. I remember when I built my StarMax 64 mm, well, that time was 60 mm. The bracing was a nightmare because it was plastic and it was very flimsy, and I had to put like a lot of reinforcement to make it stiff. All right, is the cockpit, strong magnet in the back. Here we go, XT60 for the battery. I believe the battery is a 4S 2002 to 3003, depending on the brand. All the servo leads are coming all the way to the front, so the receiver is going to be here, right? Here is the attachment for the front landing gear for the steering, and there is a aluminum part that goes there through the hole here, right? Right. The underbelly is very simple. No missiles, no missile pods, anything. Maybe later, if we want, we can 3D print some ordnance. The foam is very dense, very compact, very strong, and the size is nice, right? Okay, let's put. Okay, this is the nose. Already comes with the pitot. All right. It looks nice already. Already looking nice. Okay. Put this one. We put this one. And I think you can assemble this one in less than 30 minutes. Very nice. Very good job for XFLY. Very good. Thanks for the plane, and it's really nice. The stickers are good. Stickers are okay. Basic stickers, not many detail, but good for this size. And we are going to test it during the weekend, and I will keep you posted for the maiden flight. I'll do a very short video on the assembly. I'm sure it's going to be very fast. And then we're going to go to the field and fly it and see how is the behavior of this very small. This is my smallest Tomcat. I have a 90 mm, I have a 64 mm, I have a 60 mm, and now I have the 40 mm. It's good. It's one of my favorite planes. And okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support my channel, and we will see how good this flies. Thanks a lot.